Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Green Bengal. Today I am going to show how to make bonsai banyan tree. This is my 10 years old banyan tree. This plant collect from old building and you can make it bonsai easily. So friend, you can hunt this plant from old building, old temple or old plant and make it bonsai easily within 1 year. So first we remove the plant from pot. Remove some soil. After that we make bonsai soil. The ratio of the soil is 40% garden soil, 40% stone chip and 10% organic compost and 10% sand. Mix it well. And after that we take bonsai soil with well drainage hole. This is my handmade cement bonsai pot. Take this pot and cover the drainage hole using stone chip. And give some mixing soil. After that we planted this plant and fill it mixing soil. Give some stone chip for decoration. And finally give some water. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video. If you have any query, please comment me and subscribe my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.